YouTube CEO reveals what creators worry about in terms of AI, and what he's working on to fix it. YouTube CEO Neil Mohan said many creators and creatives are worried about AI imitation. Mohan said that YouTube is working on a tool to detect AI-generated likeness. Mr. Beast, the top YouTuber, has expressed concern about how AI might impact creators' bottom lines. When it comes to AI, imitation might not be the highest form of flattery. YouTube CEO Neil Mohan said that creators are especially nervous about AI-generated dupes that recreate their most valuable asset, themselves, on an episode of the All In podcast that aired October 8th. In the creator business and the creativity business, whether you're a Hollywood celebrity or a YouTuber or an artist, the thing that I hear over and over that they really care about is their likeness, Mohan said when asked about the role of AI-generated content. Singers are concerned about their voice, traditional YouTubers about their face, he said. YouTube has a robust content ID system, which manages copyrighted material. The platform, Mohan said, is working on what he calls likeness detection to deal with the issue of AI-generated lookalikes. The algorithm should be good enough to actually detect that, and give you a choice as to whether that should come down, Mohan said. Or there might be some creators that choose to monetize it. Giving creators control is important. Mohan said that YouTube notifies users when a video is made with AI, and that transparency is key. The platform is embracing the technology in some ways, as AI videos become increasingly popular. YouTube recently announced new AI tools aimed at bringing audio-first podcasters to the platform, while OpenAI launched Sora 2, an updated version of its generative AI video feature. Some creators are spooked by the new technology, including Mr. Beast, whose real name is Jimmy Donaldson. When AI videos are just as good as normal videos, I wonder what that will do to YouTube and how it will impact the millions of creators currently making content for a living, the world's top YouTuber said in a post on X, Scary Times.